Hey everybody, welcome back to the Historian's Wardrobe YouTube channel. This week I'm going to make a bum roll. I needed to work on certain underpinnings from the 18th century, and since I am working on an 18th century French gown, I figured I should probably make a bum roll, as I'm going to need to make the other underpinnings coming up soon before I start on the bodice and that part of the dress. So this week for my project, as I am making a bum rolls were part of the...
Hi, Mommy. I was just here on your lap.
Say hi. Alright, can you please go eat your snack at the table? So during the 18th century, bum rolls were part of the silhouette that was in fashion. They kind of accentuated the lady's hips and the rear end, and I guess, you know, there are parallels in fashion. So there are clear parallels in fashion all throughout the centuries, including a fashionable large rear end. I don't have a whole lot for 18th century fashion, and especially underpinnings. I really don't have a whole lot for the correct underpinnings for the time period. Mostly everything I have is 19th century. So, as I am working on this bum roll, first of all, I should say that I'm doing the pattern myself. I took a look at some different like DIY bum rolls on Pinterest. And so I pinned a couple of those and kind of looked at how they measured it out for their own patterns. So I'm going to make my own pattern, so you'll get to see that process. Pretty much everything that I have is 19th century. I don't have a whole lot for 18th. So I'm trying to expand that, and the underpinnings is one of the most important ways to do that, especially for historic accuracy, because they didn't have the same silhouettes and style in the 19th century that they did in the 18th century. Plus, I have been watching Outlander, which I have to confess I have not seen until now. As a fashion historian buffoon, I should have seen it. I feel guilty for not seeing it until now. What is wrong with me? Plus, I love Scottish history. So I'm not really sure what I was thinking, but I'm finally watching it. I see the hype. I understand it. Don't we all wish that we had a Jamie? I mean, come on. They have bum rolls in that. So I was like, well, I need a bum roll. So I'm going to make that. I don't know that I'll wear it under my French gown. However, I do think that I will get use out of it. So, I decided to use some polyfill from an old pillow because I got a little lazy trying to cut up all of the little bits of fabric, but I got it all together and it came together a lot faster that way. Okay, so we've made a bum roll. I think it came together really well. I'm excited to finally have one. And I appreciate each of you joining me on this little journey, I suppose, of having the correct historical silhouette rear end. If you're new to this channel, thanks for joining me. And if you have joined me before, I'm so glad that you're back. I love you all. We'll see you next time.